All right, everyone, it is day 3. Hopefully, we've all figured out a routine that is making this all a lot easier for us after the craziness that must have been your day one, because mine was certainly. For March 18th here is our overview of what our plan is today. So when you open it all, you see that we're picking up where we left off on Tuesday. So you're going to finish your notes on mini unit 11. And then we'll be doing our Schoology reading check. A couple of things about this reading check is one, this is how we're going to do attendance. So it's important that everyone does it. Two, it will not be timed. So please take your time. Uh, Read over all of the questions, make sure you look things over and don't rush. All right. The quiz will be open from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. And yes, you won't be able to take it once today, but you will be able to redo it. You'll just have to email to schedule a day to do it. Uh, this is a short one. Hopefully, you're able to get through this relatively easily. I hope all is well. If we can help in any way, please let us know. Take care and enjoy your day.